understand how to create dollar currency in Telegram and how to create a foreign based company ledger, and finally we will make invoice. So from gateway of Tele, first we need to create a dollar currency. Click Alt plus G and then create master, and after this you will get to see currency option over there. So you can see enter phrase is showing. So in here you have to create your new currency dollar. I have already created, so let me show you after going alter and then dollar. So in this way you can create a dollar currency in Teleprime. So one by one I will show you how to create. So if you want to create a dollar currency, so as, as a symbol enter dollar, and in next option formal name. So under formal name you have to mention United States dollar, and the third option is ISO currency code. So as a code enter USD, this is a code, and the next option is number of decimal. So enter 2, number of decimal places for amount. So amount in bit, so press 2, and the next option is word representing amount after decimal. So type cent. As we created, let me show you, as we will create Indian dollar and word representing amount after decimal, we mention paisa over there. So in this way, in the similar way, you have to mention cent in dollar. So we have created currency of dollar. Next we will create foreign based ledger. So this is how you can also create. I have created Away PLC company. Under group sundry debtors, and under address fill all the details of address, and in state you have to select the state in drop down option. So let's suppose this is the state, it's California. When you will select state, country will automatically fill. So United States of America, this is automatically pick up. So if there is any opening balance, so you can mention, you can enter opening balances. If there is no opening balances, so skip this and accept the screen. How to mention your opening balances? Let's suppose this ledger has a $500 opening balances. So if you want to mention in base currency also, so type at the rate of rupees 84. Let's suppose whatever exchange price is running today, so we will mention over there. So this is how we have already been created currency and ledger. So let me show you how you will be make invoice of this. So from gateway of Delhi we will press V, and from the right hand side select sales voucher, and then select the party ledger, and under name of item select the product you are selling, and after this select quantity and rate. Make sure you are mentioning rate after pressing dollar in dollar. So the rate is dollar 100 or dollar 200, whatever rate is there. So I have mentioned dollar 120. When you will press enter, so Tally will ask you rate in forex and rate of exchange. So rate of exchange, you only have to replace rupees 1 uh, to whatever rate of exchange is running today, 81, 82, 84, whatever. So rupees 84 divided dollar, press enter, Tally will convert in rupees. So this is how our invoice is done, and you can see below is mentioned Indian rupee amount. So this is the exchange value. If you want to add some more items, so you can add some more item. So this is how our invoice is ready, our invoice is completed. Save this, and in the below you can see invoice total amount is showing in dollar as well as in Indian rupee. So our invoice is completed. If you want to see print preview of the invoice, so open the invoice, and top of the right corner there is a print option. Click on print option and then current option and then preview option. You can see the invoice is showing something like this, and the invoice is showing in dollar, rate is showing in dollar, and total amount is showing in dollar. And the below you can see HSNY summary, there is showing Indian rupee value. If you want to see your foreign based company ledger in rupees, or if you want to see in Indian rupees how much total uh, sale you have made, so by pressing Control B, show forex transaction only. When you will press yes, so you can see there is showing forex transaction only. Your party ledger will show in dollar. So if you want to print, so click on print, and then current, or if you want to see preview, so click on preview option. You can see there is a total amount is showing in dollar. If you want the portal with ID and password, and after this you will get to see services option on top of your bar. Click on services option. Under return option, there is showing TDS and TCS credit receipt. So this is a TCS and TDS report showing under this. Click on this option and you will get to see financial year option and month option. So you have to select financial year and month option for which period you want to download your TCS reports. So under financial year, click on drop down option. So here you can select any of financial year you want to download. Let's suppose I want to download financial year 24-25. So I will select 24-25, and after this you have to select the month. So you can see April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. All these months are showing over here. You can select any of month you want to download. So I'm going to select here April month, and then click on search option. You will get to see TDS and TCS, so click on this option. After scrolling a bit, you will get to see TCS credit received. So you will get to see there is a showing total amount credit. So there is showing one amount credit. So all the parties details will show over here, whatever party TCS collected from you. In financial year 24-25 April month, there is only one TCS collected from Amazon. So in this way you will get to see your all the parties details showing over here, whatever party will collect TCS from you. So this is how, if you want to download, there is a below download option. After scrolling bit you will get to see option for downloading. So if you want to download, so you can download TCS reports. So by downloading this you can also record in Telegram. So how you will be record TCS collected entry in Telegram, in the next video I will share you. So one by one you can change period, change year, change month. Let's see. You can see in the next month there is a two parties detail is showing, two parties collected TCS. So in this way you can download and you can save this TCS collected from GS. First we will record receipt entry, which we are going to receive from personal account to current account. For recording this entry from gateway of Delhi, we will press B, and from the right hand side we will select receipt voucher, and by pressing F2 you can change the date in which date you are going to receive money from personal account to current account. I have created here Ramesh loan account. Let's suppose your any of your name, so you can create by your name loan account. So here I'm going to create Ramesh loan account. You can create by your name under loan liability, as because we are going to receive money from personal account and we are going to make the payment to our creditor. So this is going to be short term loan account. Let's suppose we have received 5 lakh rupees from personal account to current bank account. So Axis Bank, this is our current bank account, and Ramesh loan account will be credit with 5 lakh rupees, and Axis Bank current account will be debit with 5 lakh rupees. In narration you can mark, being this is a loan, short term loan amount, and save this entry. So this is how we have received money from personal account to current account. Let me show you by opening Ramesh loan account. Click on go to ledger and ledger reports. Here I'm going to open Ramesh loan account. Now you can see under Ramesh loan account ledger 5 lakhs rupees showing as a credit side. It means this is a uh, credit side, means this is a payable amount. This is a loan amount which we will revert back to Ramesh when we will receive payment in current account. I have opened Axis Bank current account, 5 lakhs rupees showing in debit side. It means bank has 5 lakh rupees. Now we will use this 5 lakh rupees for making payment to our creditors. So by pressing Ctrl A, you can add voucher, and by from the right hand side we will select payment voucher, and here I am going to make payment of our creditor Suman Education Hub with rupees 3 lakh will be debit, and our Axis Bank will be credit. So next payment we are going to make the Shubham Trading Company with 50,000. So Shubham Trading Company will be debit with 50,000, and our Axis Bank account will be credit with 50,000. So this is how we are using our payment to making payment to the party. And third payment we are going to make Suman Trading Company with rupees 1.5 lakhs by our current bank account. Axis Bank account will be credited. So this is how we have used 5 lakh rupees for making payment to our suppliers. So Axis Bank is now zero because we have received 5 lakh rupees and we have made payment to our creditor with 5 lakh rupees. Let's suppose we have sold goods, and in future when we will receive money from our buyer, so uh, by pressing Ctrl A, we will add voucher, and from the right hand side I have received select receipt voucher. Here we are receiving money from our buyers. Now you can see Axis Bank is showing in 7 lakhs debit side. It means Axis Bank has 7 lakhs rupees. Now we will return to the Ramesh loan account which we have taken 5 lakh rupees. So Ramesh loan account will be debited with 5 lakhs rupees, and Axis Bank ledger will be credited with 5 lakh rupees. So this is how you can see Axis Bank now balance showing in 2 lakhs rupees in debit size. We will use this 2 lakhs rupees for running our business or making payment to the creditor or maintaining expenses. And let me show you Ramesh loan account. You can see Ramesh loan account is nil. First we have received 5 lakh rupees from Ramesh loan account, and after that when we will receive payment by our buyer, so we return back to the Ramesh loan account, and Ramesh loan account is now nil. So this is how you can record the entry when you can